WUIGUANO wa kurutithania wira gatagati ga thirikari nene na thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi uria UKINYANIIRIO kugerera ngirimiti iria ikirirwo kirore thingiraini wa iregi umuthi ni utumurite weru nderetia ni atia uramati wa kaunti ya Nairobi ugucoka urumirire. No akiaria thiini wa igongona ria gwikiranira ngirimiti no President William RUTO augite ati gutire motungata mararutwo thiini wa thirikari ya kaunti matwaritwo thirikari nene, akiuga ati ngirimiti no ni aguteithiriria kugacirithia motungata matiganite.
There is no transfer of functions happening. For the avoidance of doubt, I have no interest in running the city of Nairobi. My hands are full. The governor and his team must run the city of Nairobi.
This is not a transfer of functions, as happened during the NMS time, which was a misadventure that left this city with a 16 billion shillings pending bills whole, and which did not augur well with the true spirit of devolution.
Thiini wa mubango uyu mweru thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ni kugunika na kigina kia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 80 kuma kuri thirikari nene iria cikuhuthika hari kugacirithia mibango ya uthii wa nambere na mamwe ma motungata maria makoretwo magitwarithio nambere ni thirikari ya kaunti.
With an initial quantified capital package of everything that I have said, amounting to 80 billion across priority sectors, this structured partnership is designed to deliver measurable impact and expand opportunities for all.
With a population of close to 7 million residents and with the city growing year on year, the equitable share from the division of revenue that provides resources to all the counties as well as our own source revenue can never be enough.
Hamwe na motungata maria makunyitirwo ni thirikari nene ni ungania wa giko guku Nairobi wakiwa barabara itiganite, utambia wa thitima icagi-ini cia Nairobi, utambia wa mai gatagati-ini ka motungata mangi, na President augite ati Nairobi niyo uthio wa Kenya thiini wa thi na ati ari na uigiririki wa gutigirira ati mucii munene wa Nairobi ni ukinyaniirie ikirota cia mabururi mangi thiini wa thi.
This partnership is already visible in the Nairobi Rivers Regeneration Program, a 50 billion shilling initiative transforming riverine settlements through housing, sanitation, public spaces, and environmental restoration.
We are facing serious competition. For those of you who have been to Addis Ababa lately, you will see exactly what I'm talking about.
Riu President ni athanite guthondekwo kwa ruhonge rweru rwa borithi ruria rukurugamira Nairobi na icigirira ciothe ciayo itemi-ini ria kugacirithia ugitiri wa Nairobi, na ningi agathana aria othe makoretwo magitambia thitima cia ngugo mang'ethanirwo nao guku akiruta riathani oro ringi ria ati mitaro yothe ya mai ma giko itherio na ihenya uria kwahotekeka.
We all know when it rains what happens to this city of Nairobi. And my instructions to both the Ministry of Infrastructure and Roads and Housing is that we do not want a flooded city this year. You have to move with speed so that we do what we have to do.
President augite hatire handu watho wagararitwo hari gukinyaniria ngirimiti ino, na riu bunge ya kaunti ya Nairobi igitigirwo gibarwa gia gutigirira muingi wa Nairobi ni wakuruhanio hari WUIGUANO uyu mweru guku nake Minister Munene Musalia Mudavadi akiamurwo gutongoria kamiti iria ikurutithia WUIGUANO uyu wira, nake Governor wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ari munini wake. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gwikiranira.